In this video, we will talk about the new irrigation feature within Scouting. While scouting a field, you can document the location and direction of your grower's irrigation equipment. First, tap the blue irrigation button. Then choose the irrigation method. Next, move the line to reflect the location in the field. And then hit Set Pivot. Last, select the direction of travel. Hitting Finish will save a photo of the position and location and document it in the activity notes. These photos are reported in the Scouting and Recommendation Report and the Activity Report. Here's an example of the Scouting and Recommendation Report. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and visit our website for more information about Sirrus and all the rest of our products.